Hi guys, if you want to buy this Creative Stage Air V2 Compact under monitor soundbar, then please visit the link provided in the description. If you're searching for an easy way to improve the sound from your computer or laptop without filling your desk with large speakers, this compact soundbar deserves a closer look. The Creative Stage Air V2 is designed for people who want better audio while keeping their workspace clean, modern, and organized. Its slim profile fits comfortably beneath most monitors, making it an excellent addition to home offices, gaming desks, and everyday workstations. Right out of the box, the soundbar makes a great first impression. The minimalist black finish gives it a premium appearance that blends naturally with almost any desktop setup. Instead of drawing unnecessary attention, it complements your monitor while taking up very little space. The lightweight construction also makes it easy to move whenever needed. The real highlight is the audio performance. Compared to standard monitor or laptop speakers, the difference is immediately noticeable. Voices sound clearer, music becomes richer, and movies feel much more immersive. Dialogue is crisp, allowing you to hear conversations without constantly adjusting the volume. Instruments remain detailed, while the balanced tuning creates an enjoyable listening experience across different types of content. Whether you're streaming videos, joining online meetings, editing content, or listening to your favorite playlists, the sound remains consistent and natural. The speaker delivers enough depth to make entertainment more enjoyable without overpowering your workspace. Another major advantage is its flexible connectivity. Bluetooth support allows quick wireless pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making it easy to switch between devices. If you prefer a wired connection, the USB interface offers a simple plug-and-play solution for desktop computers. This combination provides convenience for both work and entertainment. A built-in rechargeable battery adds even more versatility. Instead of being permanently connected to a power outlet, you can carry the soundbar wherever you need better audio. Whether you're moving between rooms, working remotely, or giving presentations, this portability makes everyday use much more convenient.